close. Try to hit the teeth, Karina.
I can't try it.
Look, I cannot.
It's hopeless.
It's okay.
Here.
It's hopeless. You want a penny?
It was fun. I gotta watch it right here for turkey.
We used to have a neighborhood turkey in our neighborhood when we lived
We saw 2
downtown.
herds of turkeys apparently.
Oh.
It was weird.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. Do it.
Alright, come on, let's see what happens. Aim for the teeth.
Aim for the teeth.
You hit the teeth, then
It talks.
It talks. Yeah, that was why I wanted to wait and give it all together.
I suck at this.
Nice one. Nice.
You didn't bring pennies with you, huh? You like?
No, I didn't bring pennies with me because I didn't think I need them.
Here,
I'll
you
take
can
one
have
more
this
penny.
dirty penny.
Why does it have to be a dirty penny?
Because it was only a penny. You're dirty. Because I'm not giving you a quarter.